how to connect your Mocreo ST6 temperature and humidity sensor that connects to the hub. You will need this hub for this to work. You can buy these together, or you can just buy the sensor if you want an additional sensor. I'm going to show you how to get them set up on the app and connected to the hub. So you're going to connect them to the hub via the app. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just go and make sure you have the Mocreo Smart app, open your account and everything like that, and so that you can then get on the app. Now, from there, it's quite simple to add this. You're just going to need your hub. Obviously, you're going to need your phone with your app. You're going to need a sensor, and you're also going to need a pin like this so that we can put it into pairing mode. Now, these are nice. They make a lot of these for refrigerators and stuff that have a separate probe. This does not have a separate probe. Everything is in this sensor here. This is good if you have like a greenhouse, for example, you're trying to monitor, or an RV, a vacation house that you just want to keep track of what's going on inside that house. We can have this temperature and humidity sensor connected to a hub, and then we can get all the information on our app. But anyways, this is very simple to connect. I'm just going to show you one thing before I show you how to connect this. Is if you have other sensors, we need to make sure that none of the other sensors are blinking like this, giving us a fast blue blink, or this will interfere with the pairing of this. So if you have a sensor, a standalone sensor that's fast blinking like this, we just want to make sure we plug the probe into it. That will turn this light off. There it goes. It took a second to do it. Anyways, so now this is no longer going to interfere with the pairing. Now we have all our stuff. We're ready to go. All we're going to do is open the app and select this plus button in the top right, add a device, and we are going to see our ST6 on here. They call it a climate sensor, temperature and humidity climate sensor. We're going to click that. It's going to tell us remove the rubber cover and poke the pinhole, and then it should start blinking blue. Now remember, I showed you that fast blinking blue. We don't want that fast blinking blue. If there's an error, it will get us a fast blinking blue and it will not work. We'll need to get back to what we're about to see here, which is a slower blinking blue. So I just pushed this little hole in here with this pin. We can also use a paper clip, and now you can see this slow blinking of blue. So once I do that, I get that slow blinking blue. I'm going to check this little box saying I have that slow blinking of blue, and I'm going to hit next. Then I'm just going to make sure the devices are close by one another, obviously making sure the Bluetooth is on your phone before you do any of this. And it has now found the hub. And once we get here, now it has bound to it. And now what I can do, like let's say I have it just in my home in the kitchen. I can create a new home. I can create a new room if I want to set this up here to attach this to my vacation home, to my greenhouse, whatever. And then I'm going to name this specific sensor. I'm just going to go with the defaults here, but I can change the name here if I want. And now you can see it is now here. It's now indicating me both the temperature and the humidity on the app. And once I get everything added, I can just back out of that pairing screen, and you can now see that on the hub, I am getting the data for the two temperature sensors that I have connected to this. It's giving me the temperature up here, and it's giving me the ID of the sensor. And then down here, it's giving me the temperature plus the humidity.